Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make the best Nigeria jollof rice. Rich, smoky, and full of flavor. This recipe is so delicious and easy to follow, and I promise your jollof will come out perfect every single time. So let's get cooking. In a clean pan, I'll be adding some oil that I use in frying my turkey. I'll just go ahead to add this to it and allow it to hot for some minutes. And the next thing I'll be doing is to add my chopped onions. You can chop your onions in a smaller way, but I just like it that my onions is so big in my cooking. So you can do you. So I'll fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. And the next thing I'll be doing is to add my ginger and garlic paste. This is so optional, okay? Then I will also fry that, saute that for a few minutes, and then I'll add my bay leaf, and I'll also be adding my thyme. So guys, this is not optional because it's so important. So I will saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes. Thereafter, I'll go ahead to add the tomatoes paste. I'll be using this one. You can use any tomato paste you have. So I'll go ahead to saute this, allow this to fry for 5 minutes just to remove the sour taste. I'll cover this up to fry. As I said before, then I will open it up. So after 5 to 6 minutes, I open it up. Now I'll be adding my fresh pepper, atarodo, the one you can tolerate. So I'll be adding these bottle tomatoes. So another option for you is that you can cook your tomatoes with your tatashe, everything, onions, cook it, or you will fry it, then you blend it. So I didn't go for that option. So I went for this option. So I'll rinse the bottle, pour it inside, and then I will stir everything together. So if you have watched up to this moment, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you are new here, you are welcome. So I'll cover this to cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Then I'll open up the pan. As you can see, we have little oil already on top of our stew. That is to say, is cooking. Now I'll be using this rice. I'm not using basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. So this rice I'm using is a little bit hard, so I parboiled mine first. For the basmati rice you'll be using, there's no need for you to parboil it. You can just wash it like that, run it under uh, water. Now I'll be adding stock. This is so important. I'm using chicken stock. You can use any stock of your choice. So I will go ahead to stir this up. After stirring, then I will be adding a little bit of water. I just went ahead to test if the salt, everything is okay, and it is okay, it's perfect. So I'll go ahead to add a little water. As I said before, the rice I'm using is a little bit hard, so that is why I added more water. If you're using basmati rice, there's no need for you to add any extra water, so you can do you. So I'll go ahead to stir everything together, and then I'll use my foil paper to cover this up. Guys, we are going to be cooking this in a low heat, very low heat, and we're going to cook this for 45 to 1 hour. I cooked mine for 1 hour, so I cover this, I reduce the heat, and I cook it for 1 hour. And during that 1 hour, I didn't open the pan, I didn't touch it, I just left it there to just cooking. Look at what we have, guys. This is the best smoking jollof. Can you see that, guys? So I went ahead to open everything, just remove the cover, the foil paper, then I went ahead to turn this. Guys, at this time, my kitchen was full of nice aroma. So I'll just go ahead to fluff this. Now, this is the secret of having a smoky jollof rice. Go ahead to make 2 holes inside the rice because we are going to be adding butter into it. So this is the butter I'm using. You can use non-salted butter. You can use any butter of your choice. You just go ahead to cut the butter into two, and then I will drop it inside the hole. So guys, please follow this step by step. I bet you, I assure you are going to have a great jollof rice. So I'll go ahead to cover it back again with the foil paper. This time around, I'm going to increase the heat a little bit more than the one I used before. So I'll cook this again for another 5 to 10 minutes. Then I went ahead to remove the foil paper. Now the butter has melted, so I'll just go ahead to fluff this around. Guys, at this point my kitchen was full of nice aroma. Mind you, your jollof rice must burn. That is not negotiable. So here I was using a non-stick pan. You can use any pan of your choice. So went ahead to cover it again for another few minutes. Guys, here we have our rich, smoky, flavorful jollof rice. So guys, I just went ahead to dish some for my husband when he came back from work. So I asked him to taste it, and when he tasted it, guys, it was heavenly. So guys, follow this step by step. I assure you, you are going to have a Nigerian party jollof rice. I bet you this is a foolproof. So I went ahead to do some turkey and some veggies. So I just serve it along. You can eat it like that. You can use any side dish along with it. So guys, will you been try this? If you do, please leave your comment in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye, and keep eating good food.